Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to connect a HTML file with a CSS file and open it in Google Chrome offline. As you can see, we created two files here, and these are the codes. And these are the files under our folder called My Offline Site. 7 is index HTML for the page structure and style CSS for styling. By linking the CSS file in the HTML head section, Chrome applies the style correctly. When you open index HTML in browser, we can see the heading and the paragraph displayed with a background color, the text alignment and text color from our CSS, all working perfectly without an internet connection. We connected an HTML file with CSS file and opened it offline in Chrome, and confirmed that all styling is applied correctly from the CSS. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos